What's up? Oh, there it goes.
Good morning, guys. It's a slow morning for me as I'm sick. Also, this is the first time I'm brushing my hair in like 3 or 4 days because I lost my hairbrush and I just found it yesterday. So I didn't have coffee because um personally it's not strong enough. We have to find a way to figure out how to use our French press exactly because all of our coffees have been very like watered down. Even though we bought like really strong coffee. So we're just gonna relax today and hopefully I can try to get unsick. So we're just gonna rest.
I'll give y'all I'll give y'all like 10 seconds to try to find Millie. She likes to go in that little tall grass over there, and I just call her a Pokemon because you literally can't even see her besides her head.
300 miles around the Sierras to Sequoia National Park. Thank you so much for this.
We decided to go for a little hike. Not really a hike, we're just going for a little walk away from our camp spot. You can probably see the car from there. And yeah. We're also trying to teach Millie to stay close without a leash. And it's actually worked pretty well because she literally cannot go away from us.
Maybe I think she needs to go up.
Yeah, there's a tree that... Actually, I could probably use some of this wood. I didn't even think about it. There's a fallen tree. I brought my camera just in case to get some shots if we want some. Because we did drive down this trail and there is a little creek, so maybe it'll be pretty cool. She's trying to figure out how to get to me. What, Millie? Oh my gosh! Yes, yes. Let's go.
Bye, Millie.
What the heck?
Bye, Millie.
Oh my gosh, she's about to fall.
She has the zoomies.
No, don't jump on me. Go, Millie. Go, go, go.
Go, Millie. Go to the
Go,
truck.
Millie. Go, go, go. Go, Millie. Go, go, go.
Go to the truck.
Millie just did a cold plunge, and that gave her some energy. So now we're going back to the car. That was nice, but we actually went down that trail with the car, and there's not much there. Unless you keep going further. Gosh, I'm out of breath. I don't know how Millie's still running. Anyway, yeah, we kept going a little bit further down the trail, and there's like an abandoned house and stuff. It's pretty cool, but it's far, so I'd rather go there by car. Yeah, it's going up back to 100. I should.
When I don't pick out his outfit, this is what he wears.
And
What?
my phone too.
What about it?
It matches.
Yeah, we have like 3 different shades of blue right now.
It's all good.
Really? You got tired?
She's mad.
She's angry. Now, with our little setup, we're using our Cholino as a table. Don't worry, we haven't used it. And yeah, we're just chilling. Gabriel's playing his.
Stardew Valley.
Yeah, because he's in his Stardew Valley era. And I think we're gonna make dinner in about 30 minutes. This is how it's looking. It's a little burnt up, but we've really put it to the test because we have used it for nearly everything to keep warm, for lunch, maybe dinner.
She's in between.
Millie just loves it out here. She literally takes herself out in the mornings, in the evenings, whenever she needs to go, and then she'll just come right back. I'm pretty sure she's going to do something right now.
Yeah. Então nós estamos com fogo o dia inteiro.
I'm not sure what the time is right now, but we just finished dinner. I found on Pinterest, so we've been trying out different things. And with the amount that we get to make it, we can make 2 servings. Well, 4 servings. So we make 2 one day and then 2 another. But yeah, we just got done with dinner, so we're just sitting here. Gabriel's starting the fire again. We got the fire going, and it's getting dark out. The sun sets behind that mountain or hill. And so it gets dark on the side pretty fast. So I think we're gonna sit by the fire for a little bit, maybe have some Brazilian chocolate, and head up to bed. Gabriel's mom brought Brazilian chocolate inside our box, and it stayed without melting, which is pretty crazy. It came in like what, 3 days since she shipped it out, but I have been binge eating it, and poor Gabe.
What about it?
Nothing. There's just not much, and I've just been eating it all. Millie's shaking, so we have to put her turtleneck on. Give me Paul. And
She does not like it.
no, she does. She gives me her paw to put it on, and fits her just right. We actually got this at the shelter when I was getting her license, and it's for a cat. But it fits her.
Go, Millie, go.
Goodbye.
Oh, there she goes to yell at people. Millie.
Millie and Mama. Right, Millie?
With our pooper.
Our pooper has served as a table right now. We have the fire going. We have some little lights going around the awning.
It just works. It's just nice.
Yeah, if you guys know a link to bigger, way bigger lights.
Or brighter, because these don't do anything.
Preferably yellow, because I like the way the yellow looks. That is battery powered.
Yes.
Preferably Amazon, because that's the only thing we could get shipped out right now.
Yeah.
We have the fire going super high. I don't know what Gabriel did.
It's bark. It's just bark.
Then we have the iPad set up on the pooper. Millie in her sweater.
I'm gonna go grab more before we start.
And some water. What do you want to watch?
Now, 200 years later, left of humanity, the vast
I'm obsessed with onions. Don't mind me.
What are you watching? Guys, or good morning. Today is a little work day.
Good morning. Good afternoon. It is 12:30.
Yeah, it's 12:30. But we woke up like a couple hours ago. We've just been chilling. But today is a work day. We got the laptop charged. It is very sunny today, so we're taking advantage of the solar as much as we possibly can to get some videos edited. We are leaving tomorrow, and we're gonna go ahead and head to the library so we can get some stuff uploaded. But today we are just enjoying it while it lasts because we are gonna move on to the next city.
We've
next-
noticed that in these small towns, the library has the best Wi-Fi.
Yeah, the Wi-Fi here is
Immaculate.
yeah. It will get anything uploaded within like 20 minutes.
I downloaded a full movie in like 5 minutes.
So yeah, let's just get some work done. We got Millie sitting over there. We had some coffee. We watched the rest of Insurgent because they added the Divergent series on Netflix. And yeah. Okay. We've just been enjoying it. Look at that view back there. And the view up here. Our final day at this camp spot near Telluride. It's been a journey, let me tell you. It's been so fun. We've had an immense amount of fun just being here for the past like 4 or 5 days. It's been great. Millie has enjoyed her time more than she can imagine, and I've had to go down to the creek a couple times to grab some water. So it's been really fun. It's been an exercise. We are just cleaning up, packing up, because we did, I mean, as you can kind of tell, we made this place our home. So cleaned up, put the shower awning away. Right now I'm kind of depending on the sun to give some power to the batteries. We are done with wood. As you could tell, we used the fire can more than we needed to, and we put this thing to the test. We are currently cleaning it as much as we can. I threw some water in it. It cleaned up pretty well. We didn't clean the ashtray up yet. And then, yeah, just doing dishes, cleaning everything up. We actually cleaned the inside of the car a little bit. Doesn't look like it, but it was a lot worse than this. This is just dishes that we did. That can go right here, as you can see. As you can see, a lot better than before. We found, luckily, these stakes were here at this camp spot when we came in. So we got 5 brand new stakes that we actually used for the shower awning, and it was perfect to keep it down the entire time. And obviously the awning has been staked with whatever we had for the awning. And yeah, right now I'm just charging stuff up with the remainder of the batteries that we have. We are probably going to go ahead to the library tomorrow and charge those up a little bit more, or at least top off the Bose RV one. The Grisel one doesn't have fast charging. So the other day we actually went to the library. We spent about 6 or 7 hours waiting for that thing to get to 100%. So this one, I know it's small. It's only 300 watts, but this one has fast charging, so it can allow 600 watts in. And this thing charged within like 20 minutes. So top notch for that. This, on the other hand, definitely took literally the entire day and wasted our entire day to top it off, but it does the job somewhat. But the Bose RV one definitely helped us out. Anyway, yeah, we're just finishing up on cleaning. There are some stuff that we need to put away. This needs to be out. And yeah, done. Excuse the wire mess. But other than that, this spot is cleaned up and ready to go. And then we're probably going to start dinner soon. And probably going to end the video here. Just because there's nothing really else that we need to say. Besides, thank you for watching. I do want to, we normally don't say this and we normally just end the video. But we do want to show some support towards everyone that's shown us support. Thank you so much for everything that you guys have done. This whole trip, we were supposed to be out here for a month, and it's been 2 months. Actually, I think today it started 2 months. So it has been a crazy ride. It's been stressful at times. It's been a roller coaster of emotions because we are kind of adapting to it. But it's been so fun. For both of us, it's really been eye-opening and a blessing, really, to be able to have issues with the truck, but also be able to get out of those issues within a day. And it's just been great to the people that we met, to the people that we've encountered, and the people that have helped us. It's literally been nothing but blessings. So we just want to say thank you. And if you haven't yet, and it will honestly show us that we're doing something right, hit that like and subscribe button, even the notification bell. It helps us continue what we want to do, and obviously we want to do this full time, so it just supports us and just helps us in every single little way possible. So you guys might not see it, but we see it every single day, and trust me, we pay attention to it every single day. So thank you guys for everything, and let's continue the journey, whether it's here in Colorado, Utah, wherever, Florida, Georgia, doesn't matter. Wherever we are, we're just going to try to enjoy it as much as possible and record as much content for you guys as possible. So, yep, we're going to end it here. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.